Hello students, good morning. Welcome to social science class. Today we are going to start our new chapter. It's chapter number 14, Unity in Diversity. In the sense, there are so many diversities in our country, still we all are united. Regarding this topic, we are starting the lesson understanding of diversity. First of all, what is the meaning of diversity? So that we can say that our country is a country of diversity. We all have idea that it is a unique identity having diversity in religion, language, caste and economic equality. These all things are different in our country. Apart from food, festival, customs, rituals and attire, variation is also seen in social life. Let's see what we can do for unity and equality in our country. There are so many diversities, but by which things we can become united. The diversity which is seen in Indians is rarely seen in other countries of the world. India has become a subcontinent due to this diversity. There are so many diversities, still we all are together. So that India has become a subcontinent. In our country, diversity is seen in the color, complexion, attire, religion, language, food, etc. from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. In the sense, north to south, and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. In the sense, west to east. In short, we can say that in whole India there are diversities we can found. First of all, religion. People having faith in different religion live in our country. People following various religion like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, Jainism. They all live together harmoniously. In spite of religious diversity, all the religions are given equal importance in our country. With good intention that all can practice or follow their religion equally. Here we can see that there are various type of religions in our India. Then language. We know that Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Konkani, these all languages are spoken in our country. Still, we have importance to maintain unity in our country. So that this is the variation in language. Now, culture. Cultural diversity is widely seen in our country. Due to differences in religion and language, cultural diversity can easily be seen in various regions or states. As there are diversities in religion and languages, so that it is also difference in culture. It's known as cultural diversity. When people living in different part of the country, they celebrate festivals, various type of like Diwali, Holi, Uttarayan, Dashera, Shivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Christmas, Mohram, Asadi Bij, then Buddha Jayanti, Mahavir Jayanti, Onam, Pateti, Baishakhi, etc. together. So that this is identifies the cultural diversity. Now, here few things. People living in different parts of our country have expertise in different type of dances, like Ras Garba from Gujarat, Bhangra from Punjab, Kathak from Uttar Pradesh, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, Kathakali from Kerala, Bharatnatyam from Tamil Nadu, Bihu from Assam, Odissi from Odisha, Ghumar from Rajasthan, etc. These all are famous cultural dances from various regions of India. Along with diversities, there are also many variations in people's food, attire, residence, customs, and traditions, etc. India has become a country with diversity because of geographical factors like climate, topography, farming, forest. These all things are also different in our country. Now, in this pink box, here is an activity. See the map of India, find out the location of Assam and Kerala. How does geographical condition of both the state of affect their food, attire, farming, occupation, etc. of the people of these states. Make a list of it with the help of your teacher, so that you have to list down the geographical condition of Assam and Kerala and write down few particular topics regarding food, attire, farming, occupation of these people. Then make a list of festivals which they celebrate. Now here are few festivals given like Pateti, Eid, Shivratri, Baishakhi, Christmas and Mahavir Jayanti. So that first of all, Pateti is celebrated by Zoroastrianism. In the sense Zoroastrian people जो है वो पटेटी को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. ईद इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय इस्लाम्स. शिवरात्रि इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय हिंदुइज्म. देन बैसाखी इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय सिखिज्म. देन क्रिसमस इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन क्रिश्चियनिटी. देन महावीर जयंती इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन जैनिज्म. सो दैट इट्स various type of festivals which are celebrated by various people of India. Now name of some of the dances. Here we can see Kathakali. Kathakali is danced in Kerala. Then Ghumar is famous in all over India as per Rajasthani dance. Then Ras Garba is well known as Gujarati dance. Then Bhangra is well known as Punjabi dance. So that these type of dances are famous as per their states. Now, unity in diversity. Indian culture is one of the ancient culture of the world. People of our country differ from other country in many ways because of there are various type of diversities. Yet there is emotional unity. Unity in diversity is a unique feature of our country. People of different religions, languages and castes love and honor their country. They have a feeling of sacrifice and cooperation for their nation. It is called national unity. In this para, we can see that there are various type of diversities. Still, we all are together, and it's known as national unity. Then development in the economic, social, industrial field occurs because of national unity. People maintain peace, security, prosperity in spite of the diversities. They all live together with peace. That's why Dr. Radhakrishnan stated that if we want to survive as a nation, we must accept need of national unity. During the freedom movement, our countrymen made the vision of unity possible through the feeling of patriotism and sacrifice. Unity in diversity is a special feature of our country. So that here we can see that there are various type of diversity like in attire, food, residence, religion, languages, custom, festivals. Still there is national unity in our India. Today we are stopping our topic here. Thank you students. Have a good day.